Hi guys, welcome back to Singapore Math Tutors. Today we'll be doing a double inequality question, okay? And this time we have fractions here and here. So it looks really intimidating, but it's not that difficult, okay? This is slightly different from this question here that we have done before. It's really slightly different, okay, from this question here, because now we have some fractions here. Right, so let's start. Okay, so let's just first try to solve this, and then hence they ask you to write down the greatest integer value of x. Okay, so what you do is that you break it out, okay? So you will do this part first, okay? We'll do this purple part first here. So it's quite simple. You just multiply 7 on both sides, so the 7 goes off, and then there's an extra 7 here, and then you multiply 3 on both sides, so 3 goes off, and then the 3 comes here, correct? Okay, so that's what happens, and then after from here you should be able to continue. So simply just multiply in 7, so 21 plus 14x smaller than 9x plus 3, okay? And then you bring 9x over and then 21 over, okay? So quite simply, if we bring 9x over, we have 5x, okay? And then if we bring 21 over here, is 3 minus 21, so it's minus 18. Okay, so x is smaller than minus 18 divided by 5. So if you're a little bit uncomfortable with fractions like that, you can just change it to decimal. So minus 3.6. So it's always good to leave an answer like that instead of this fraction here. Okay. Okay, and let's continue on the other side. Okay, so let's try. So if you were to do this, so you try to solve the green part here, okay, this part. So as you can see, now we have another extra 7. So if we multiply the equation by 7, okay, the 7 here cancels off, and then we have a 7 here, okay, quite simply. And then from here, I think everyone should know how to do it. We just multiply 7 in, okay, 3x plus 1 remain the same. But if we multiply 7 in, we get 35 plus 7x, okay. And then we bring 3 over, and then we bring 35 over. Okay, so you should be able to get 1 minus 35 is minus 34. And then 7 minus 3 is 5x. So this is quite simple. It's x is, so as you can see, okay, 5x is bigger than minus 34. So I'll swap it because I writing x this way. Okay, minus 34 over 5. Okay, this is, if you want to keep the sign as this way, right? Smaller than, it's fine, just write like that, x. But I prefer to look at it in this way. Okay, so these are two answers, but that's not it yet. Okay, as you can see, minus 34 divided by 5 is minus 6.8. So if you think about it on the timeline, on the number line, sorry, use another color, on the number line here, for instance, okay, so we have 0, okay, minus 3.6, okay, remember minus 3.6 is bigger than minus 6.8, So what they're looking for is x is bigger than bigger, okay, and then you end here because x is smaller, so it's like that. So this will tell you that x is between minus 6.8 and minus 3.6. Okay, so that's the answer. But for the next part, okay, always remember, hence they want you to write down the greatest integer, so you can't have any decimal or rational number. Okay, so integer for which it satisfied this equation, which is essentially this up here. So what's the greatest integer? So minus 3.6, you have minus 4 here, okay, minus 3 here. So which one is great? You can't take minus 3 because it doesn't satisfy the equation. So the most probable one is minus 4. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class. I hope this video helps, and thank you.